Hi everyone, or maybe I should say hi future me. Why? Because guys, today's video is very personal to me, and because it's going to be my last video on this channel. Yes, and I don't know some anyone will watch this video or not, but my future will. Because guys, I wanted to keep this video on this channel like a kind of message and last message or kind of time capsule, you could say. So let me tell you why I made this decision from the starting before anything else. Okay. So first thing I wanted to say is actually, guys, I decided a very important thing. I'm quitting YouTube. Why? Because I'm just tired of this thing. Means not tired of making video or following challenge. Because if you have been following this channel, then you know I have all I was on 75-day challenge. I have almost finished 45 days, and I'm proud of it, and I really do. But why I suddenly make this decision? Because guys, there's some problem in my life about this YouTube and this distraction. So I wanted to completely stop this related YouTube stuff, because let me tell you, you know what's going on nowadays. Actually, nowadays I watch entire my day YouTube videos. By so-called learning videos means every day, I open and I watch a really worth it video. Means, for example, for learning and TED show, any kind of TED talk videos, motivational videos, and I'm so addicted with it. So that's why I wanted to quit YouTube. So quitting YouTube, that's mean we have to also stop creating video here. And guys, if I say, to be honest, very honestly, I was never a creator, right? I never wanted to become a creator. I just started uploading these video to for my improving English, for my communication, so I can become fluent speaker. So because of that, I started this journey, but I realized I am wasting my time more. I mean, means entire day I just use and I watch and I tell myself it's a positive, it's a really good, you should watch every day. Like, so because of that, my entire day goes like nothing. I'm not able to give time to my preparation. So because of that, I'm quitting YouTube. So it's also mean I have to also stop uploading this video. And I also decided for this entire month, I just wanted to tell myself clear cut way, means straightforward. I just wanted to create this YouTube for at least for this entire December month. After that, I could, like, maybe I will use for studies purpose, but not from this account, from clean account. No distraction, no recommendation, nothing. I will just use for that only for my studies, for my lectures, for everything, for practice purpose. And so, but for this entire month, for December month, I'm going to quit. Yes, I'm not gonna use at all, zero. So this was it. I did. And because guys, I'm just tired. I just wanted to break this cycle, and I just wanted to escape this kind of matrix, guys, because there are lots of people who are every day, like, following this YouTube for learning purpose, for study purpose, but they never realize they waste their time a lot as compared to other things. I mean, in real life studies, I just realize and I don't like it, because I can learn everything whatever I learn from these videos through books, through others speeches, because there are lots of application has made for particular for that thing. For example, if you wanted to read summary of book, or you wanted to read particular podcast, then you can download a particular app, and there will be no any distraction, there will be no other videos. But here, on YouTube, you will find all kind of YouTube and entertainment videos. I never used to watch entertainment or any kind of particular video. I every time used to watch so-called learning videos, but it was also distraction for me. It was also, so that's why I decided I'm going to quit at least for one entire month, because I have read Atomic Habits, and I know if you will going to if you will going to think my willpower help me, then you're wrong track. Because willpower somehow it helps, but not for a longer time. You have to work on your environment. So what I'm going to do, I'm completely going to eliminate this part, means this YouTube from my life for at least 1 month. Then after that I will come back, but at that moment I will just use only for my study, for my preparation purpose. And that's it. So that was it. Okay. And that's how I'm going to quit everything. And by the way, guys, I'm not going to stop my challenge. Challenge is still on. Okay, I will come here, but I will not record myself because I just wanted to leave it, not record. I don't wanted to say after recording one video I have improved my English. No, I wanted to speak every day. I wanted to see the improvements, because if you watch my old short videos, and I have told in those videos I'm going to do difficult things which I don't like to do, right? So I'm doing it. Means let me remind you something. In when we were child, we used to love ice creams, junk foods, right? And everyone try to stop us, do not eat that much. Sometime you can eat but sometime not. So this is the condition same as like current right now what I'm facing. I love to watch learning videos, kind of means motivational videos and some kind of skill based videos, but I do every day. So this is not good for me. Sometime I can do, but not for every day, right? So what I'm going to do, just I'm going to stop for this entire month. After that I will come, and after that I will going to focus only on my study purpose videos, and that's it. So that's why I made this decision. And yeah, I'm going to do difficult things, and I won't change. I know change a little bit difficult, and it will going to be not attractive and not good, but I will make it attractive, and I won't change. So that's why I wanted to do this thing. Okay, so forget it about this thing. So this is the reason I wanted to quit this YouTube things. And for me it's a matrix, and I wanted to choose that red pill instead of blue pill. Okay, so yeah, that's why I wanted to quit this loop, or you could say matrix, or anything you could say in your language. And the last thing I wanted to say to my future self, actually I wrote some questions to my future self. If you will see this video, then I wanted to ask directly to you: did you complete your studies? This is the first one. And the second, did you win the battle with distraction? And did you become consistent? Did you reach the goal you once dreamed of? Or did you still remember this moment, this version of you, this pain, this motivation, this hope? If yes, so I'm really proud of you. And if it's not, then brother, buddy, I don't care what what world thinking about you. Just keep go and don't break yourself. Just focus on yourself and try to just do it like a Scarface lion. Okay, don't forget him. He was also one of the best thing you learn about him, right? Just fight like him, die with like him, by trying, not by giving up. So this is the last thing I wanted to say. And just focus on your career. And I don't know, after 5 years I will complete my goals, all my things. I don't know, I'm just saying to myself. And that's it, guys, because this is the life. You have to sometime do which you like to do. I know I have improved my English because of this YouTube video format, because there was, when I started my journey, there was no anyone with me, but now I have found lots of friends, and I will be connected with them, and I will do practice with them. So I'm not telling because I found lots of people, that's why I'm lifting this, that's why I'm leaving this platform. No, not because of that, but because of that I realize it's a completely trap loop. I think you will get attacked of doing this thing, and then after a particular time when you will realize without this you can't live your life, you will be not happy. So that's the thing I don't want you to feel, right? Because in real life there is something, and there is something I want, a dream I wanted to complete, and I have never shared here, I think, but my friends, my family, they know about it, what I wanted to become, and I really wanted to become. If I said, that's mean it's really I want to become. Otherwise there is no meaning of living my life. Means it's my mission, it's things, there are lots of things to live with thing, but I wanted to complete those dreams I wanted to become, and that thing will going to fulfill me. So that's why I wanted to become. And I don't want you to exaggerate. I don't know why I still sometime, when I started making this video, at that moment I started exaggerating a lot. At that moment, even though when I was not a good speaker, but even though still right now I sometimes exaggerate a lot. I don't know when I will get rid of from this problem, but let's see. Life is too long, and I will learn somehow someday. So just for a moment I wanted to say the last thing, guys. If in case I don't see you, then good morning, good afternoon, and good night.